Hello everybody, this is Patrick MontesDeOca with the Equity Management Academy latest Seeking Alpha report, published on May 6, 2019. Based on last week, silver is about to make an explosive move. With the market closing below the 9-day moving average, which is VC PMI's first filter, it tells you that we're coming into this week with a bearish trend momentum. The VC PMI weekly average price, the second filter, is 1489. So the artificial intelligence is telling us that the market is bullish coming into this week. This is a special weekly silver report based on the variable changing price momentum indicator, the VC PMI, from the Equity Management Academy. Based on last week, silver is about to make an explosive move. If we take a look at the VC PMI weekly trading instructions published on May the 3rd, silver closed at 1498 last week, with the market closing below the 9-day moving average, which is the first filter we use for the VC PMI automated algorithm. It tells us that we are coming into this week with a bearish trend momentum. The algorithm tells us that if the price closes above 1521 this week, that it would negate this bearishness to neutral. For the bear camp, this is a pivot point or filter, which would negate this bearish trend that we have been in for the past few weeks. Second filter, bullish. As we look at the VC PMI's weekly price, the second filter of 1489, this is the weekly average price. The artificial intelligence is telling us that the market is bullish coming into this week. Closing above 1489 activates the bullish weekly price momentum, and it activates the targets above of 1521 to 1524. The weekly price momentum indicator is the second filter, which you can use to manage the trend momentum. The VC PMI also tells you that if silver closes below 1489, it would negate the bullish trend momentum to neutral. The fact that the weekly price momentum is coming into this week bullish means that the market has activated the targets of 1521 to 1524, at which point it recommends to cover any positions you have on a swing basis and go neutral, and then wait to see what the market does. Harmony. First and second filter at 1521. The 9-day moving average, the first filter, is also at 1521. So if silver closes above 1521, it will shift the weekly trend momentum also to bullish. It looks like silver is beginning to roll over to the bullish camp. The VC PMI tells you that if you to use the 1489 as the level to go neutral on any long positions you have. A second close below 1489 would activate the targets of the extreme below the mean of the buy 1 at 1486 and the buy 2 level of 1434. Summary. The VC PMI artificial intelligence automated algorithms identifies a specific structure, including the average price of 2 levels above and 2 levels below the average price. The B1 and B2 levels below the average, and the sell 1 and sell 2 levels above the average or mean price. This structure identifies for you mathematically a probability based on the buy and sell levels that the market will then revert back to the mean. For B1, sell 1, the probability is 90%, and for B2 or sell 2, the probability is 95% of a reversion back to the mean. We recommend to our subscribers, traders, to use this tool to identify the highest probability trades.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our variable changing price momentum indicator, VC PMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VC PMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VC PMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VC PMI algorithm. The VC PMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VC PMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VC PMI? The VC PMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VC PMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VC PMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit EMA2trade.com for more details.